selection of a domain name for a company or product website has become one of the first and most important steps for businesses. During the excitement of starting up a new company or launching a new product, often the availability of a website is the deciding factor for one name over another. It is easy to reserve a unique domain name, but simply selecting a name and paying to register it for a period of time through a domain name registrar does not mean that the name is then protected. Domain names are registered with the Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers through a registrar. Companies reserve their own unique domain name, and like trademarks, the reservation and use of domain names must be cleared and governed. If not registered and cleared legally, a company can be accused of cyber squatting or borrowing a domain name from another owner with the intent of profiting from that name. In extreme circumstances, a domain name registrar may be held liable for cyber squatting and trademark infringement. However, a high bar has been established for finding a registrar liable, and the risk and responsibility usually falls to the company. Before making a significant investment in the development of a company or product website using a new domain name, a company should ensure that the use of that name is legally clear by following a few simple steps. First, identify the availability of a distinct domain to license. Second, record the date and intended use of the domain, as well as how the idea was developed, and document as trade secrets until filing. Next, identify all creators and contributors to the idea and document their status as employees, contractors, members, or otherwise. Following that, executives will review the intended use of the domain, the estimated potential of the idea, and decide to proceed with the registration. Then, implement a search for the availability of the name as a trademark. The search should be a full clearance search to include federal, state, and common law databases. This search can be completed very quickly and cost-effectively through IPWatch. The final step is to review the full results of the searches. Executives will make the decision to file for trademark registration and domain name reservation. Once the name has been registered, executives should also consider future expansion possibilities and further protection of the name. This should include registering for international domain names and filing for international trademarks in countries where expansion is anticipated. Additionally, variations on the original domain name should be considered for registration, including plurals, misspellings, and other top-level domains, otherwise known as domain extensions. IPWatch search products are unique and robust, providing the information that companies and their legal advisors need as new businesses and brands are considered and executed. The systems developed and utilized exclusively by IPWatch provide the trademark and domain name clearance data that executives need to make decisions and best allocate company resources. The unique proprietary products are designed by IPWatch to be available both online and through our customer service representatives at a competitive price point, allowing our clients to search more comprehensively and more frequently in order to ensure quality strategic decisions are made.